Students, today we are going to prepare trading profit and loss account and balance sheet in conversion method. In conversion method, generally the missing items are opening capital, credit sales and credit purchase. Opening capital we can ascertain by preparing opening statement of affair. Credit sales can be ascertained by preparing total debtor account, and credit purchase we can ascertain by preparing total creditor account. Yes students, now I am going to read the question. Listen carefully. Yes. From the following detail of Abdul, who maintained incomplete records, prepare trading profit and loss account and balance sheet as on 31st December 2018. Particulars: information on 1/4/2017 and information on 31/3/2018. Stock, debtor, cash, furniture, creditor. Other information: drawing, discount received, discount allowed, cash paid to creditor, cash received from debtor, sundry expenses. First we have to prepare opening statement of affair to find opening capital. Yes, I am going to prepare opening statement of affair. Statement of affairs as on 1/4/2017. It has two sides, liability sides and asset side. For preparation of opening statement of affair, we have to look only the opening information. First one is stock. Stock is asset, value 1 lakh. Then debtor, value 2,50,000. Then cash 25,000. Furniture 10,000. Then creditor is given 1,50,000. Creditor is given 1,50,000. Now we have to add assets, then deduct liability, we will get opening capital. The balancing figure is opening capital. Balancing figure 3,85,000. 3,85,000 minus 1,50,000. Our opening capital is 2,35,000. Then we have to prepare total debtor account to find credit sales. So now we are going to take information relating to the total debtor account. Yes. Stock, debtor. We have to take debtor. There are two debtors are available. Opening debtor, to balance BD. Closing debtor, by balance CD. Opening debtor 2,50,000. Closing debtor 3,50,000. Then cash, furniture, creditor will not come, drawing will not come, discount received will not come, discount allowed will come. It will be credited to the debtor account by discount allowed. The discount allowed value 25,000. Then cash paid to creditor will not come. Cash paid to creditor will not come. Cash received from debtor will come. It will be credited in the debtor account by cash. Cash received from debtor 5,35,000. Then we have sundry expenses will not come to debtor account. Now I am going to balance it. Debtor account. The total of debtor account is 9,10,000. 9,10,000 minus 2,50,000, that is credit sales. That is credit sales, balancing figure. So 9,10,000 minus 2,50,000 already I deducted. The credit sale value 6,60,000. Next we are going to prepare total creditor account to find credit purchase. Now I am going to pick information relating to total creditor account. Yes. Stock will not come, debtor will not come, cash will not come, furniture will not come, creditor will come. This is opening creditor. 1,75,000 is the closing creditor. So creditor opening balance starts in the credit side by balance BD. Closing balance will be debited. Opening balance of creditor 1,50,000. Closing balance of creditor 1,75,000. Then other item we can take from other information. Drawing will not come, discount received will come. It will be debited in the total creditor account to discount received, debited to the creditor account. Discount received how much? 20,000. Next, discount allowed will not come. Cash paid to creditor will come. To cash paid to creditor, the value 4,50,000. Then cash received from debtor will not come to creditor account. Sundry expenses also will not come to creditor account. Now I am going to balance the creditor account. The total of creditor account 6,45,000. 6,45,000. If we deduct 1,50,000, we will get a credit purchase. The balancing figure. The value already I recorded 4,95,000. So by preparing opening statement of affair, we ascertained opening capital. By preparing total debtor account, we ascertained credit sales. Then by preparing total creditor account, we ascertained credit purchase. Now we are going to prepare trading profit loss account and balance sheet. First we have to draw the format of trading profit loss account. Trading profit and loss account of Mr. Abdul for the year ended, date period ending 31/12/2018. We have to draw the format. 2 opening stock, 2 purchases. Here we have 2 kind of purchase: cash purchase, credit purchase. If we add these 2, we will get total purchase minus purchase returns. Credit side, by sales, we have cash sales, credit sales. If we add these 2, we will get total sales minus sales returns. Then by closing stock. This is the format of trading profit and loss account and balance sheet. This is the profit and loss account. Profit and loss account credit side starts with the gross profit, BD. Then we have to draw the format of balance sheet also. Balance sheet of Mr. Abdul. Balance sheet of Mr. Abdul as on date 31/12/2018. We have 2 sides, liabilities and assets. The format is capital. Net profit should be added. If drawings are given, we have to deduct. So I draw the format of trading profit loss account balance sheet. Now I am going to solve. With the help of opening statement of affair, we ascertained opening capital that we can record in the balance sheet liability side, 2,35,000. Then by preparing total debtor account, I found credit sales. It will be recorded in the trading account credit side against credit sale, 6,60,000. Then I prepared total creditor account. I ascertained credit purchase. It will be debited to the trading account against credit purchase. So the 3 missing items are recorded. Then we can read the problem. Here stock, we have opening stock and closing stock. Opening stock debited to the trading account, closing stock credited to the trading account, and immediately it will appear in the balance sheet asset side. Opening stock debited in the trading account, closing stock credited in the trading account and appears in the asset side. Then we have debtor. We will take closing debtor because we are preparing closing balance sheet. So 3,50,000. Then we have cash. We will take closing cash. Closing cash how much? 40,000. Then furniture. We will take closing balance. How much? 10,000. Then creditor. We can take closing creditor. 1,75,000. Then drawing should be deducted from the capital. Drawing should be deducted from capital. Discount received credited to the profit and loss account, value 20,000. Discount allowed debited to the profit and loss account, value 25,000. cash received from debtor and cash paid to creditor both will not come to trading profit loss account balance sheet. Then we have only one item called sundry expenses. Value 30,000. Then we have to close trading account. Cash purchase and cash sales given in the question, if it is given, right there, or else you can omit, put it as nil. So 4,95,000 total. So 4,95,000. 6,60,000 total sales, no sales written. So the total of trading account credit side 7,10,000. 7,10,000 minus 595, we will get what? Gross profit, CD. So 710 minus 595, already I recorded 1,15,000 gross profit. This gross profit should be transferred to profit and loss account. The total of profit and loss account 1,35,000. Deduct this 55,000. The net profit is 80,000 to net profit. Gross profit transferred to profit and loss account. Net profit transferred to capital account. This net profit should be added with the capital. How much? 80,000. 0,005,1, 3,15,000. So 3,15,000 minus 40. 5, 11 minus 4, 7, 2,75,000. 2,75,000. Here the total 4,50,000 liability side, asset side 4,50,000. Students, in this problem there are three missing information, namely opening capital, credit sales and credit purchase. We ascertain by preparing opening statement of affair, total debtor account and total creditor account. Then we prepare trading profit and loss account and balance sheet. Before preparing trading profit and loss account balance sheet, we have to draw the format. Then you can transfer all hidden information to the trading profit and loss account, then post the other information, you will get the answer. In next class we will solve different problem. Till then, bye and thank you.